Using CPanel is frustrating. You see, CPanel was never designed for ordinary dudes like us. It was meant for web developers who used to manage websites for their clients or big companies. The interface has barely changed a little since its creation, and as such, it is still very frustrating for ordinary people to understand how it works. When I started my first website, I spent weeks learning each and every feature of this complicated software. It was a very frustrating experience. Believe it or not, there's no better and more robust control panel than CPanel for your Linux hosting. So, whether you like it or not, 90% of the hosting companies are offering it along with their hosting package simply because it's the best on the market. If you seriously want to be able to get the hang of it and be able to use it effectively to host your websites, then you've got to learn how to use its features. I got you covered on that one. But first, let's see why you should learn this. Why you need to get started now. Reliable. It's the best on the market. Accomplish tasks faster. Using CPanel is faster than using any third-party tool like FTP software. Feature-rich interface. The sky is the limit. There are so many things you can do with CPanel. Security. Years of programming and improvements. Free. It's being provided by every hosting company. Whenever you buy a hosting account from them. And the list goes on and on. Mastering CPanel will help you accomplish your tasks faster and manage your website better, and that is why I decided to come up with this unique over-the-shoulder video series to get you started very quickly with it. Here's what you'll discover inside this video training. Many people that try to figure things out on their own end up wasting a lot